Hello and welcome back to our course on risk management. Let's look at additional techniques and templates used in the Plan Risk Responses process. In addition to the techniques covered in Session 3 of this course, the Plan Risk Responses process uses 4 more techniques. Let's start with brainstorming, which is a useful group creativity technique for identifying risks and risk responses. When used to identify risk responses, the participants are asked to provide solutions to an identified risk or set of risks. To generate as many solutions as possible, it's important to ensure that all the relevant stakeholders and personnel associated with the risk or set of risks actively participate in this activity. Next, let's look at checklists. The checklist technique creates templates that are used to capture lessons from previous projects for use in similar projects in the future. Risk responses identification checklists must address both threats and opportunities. The third technique is contingency planning. In contingency planning, the risk owner will assume that a risk has occurred and will assemble a team to develop a response for that risk. And the fourth one is contingency reserve estimation. This involves setting aside an amount, cost and time, to cover the effects that conditional response plans or residual risks, if they occur, can have on the project's budget, schedule, or objectives. That brings us to the end of this module. In our next session, we'll consider another technique known as critical chain project management. Until then, thank you for learning with us.